Good morning. Here we have a 2016 leftover 320 center console Sailfish. As you can see, it has twin Verado 350s. The boat has a bone colored hull. It is a loaded boat and it is a leftover and available at MarineMax Brick. We'll come up here and check this out. We got a 58-inch wide aft folding seat. As you can see, all the rod holders, nice painted motors. There's your live well. It's got the B75M air Mar through transducer, Garmin GPS 7612. It's your mercury readouts. Got a nice tackle station up top. Very, very comfortable captain's chairs. Check out the bow here. Got some backrests. There's your little fitting for your table. Comes with a nice Yeti cooler. And in here we have a very spacious head with storage, sink. There's your storage for the table in the bow and your batteries. Come on down to MarineMax Brick. Check this boat out.